Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And today I'm here to chat with you guys about something that everyone who has sold their home has dealt with. And it's undeniably one of the least favorite parts of selling your home, and that's preparing for showings. It's never comfortable letting someone into your home, especially without you there, snooping through your stuff. But it's inevitably something that has to happen if you want to sell your home. So today I want to chat with you about the process and the steps you can take to make sure your home is prepared for showings, and it's going to be the best representation possible to help you guys find the correct buyer for your homes. So the first thing I want to hit on here today is making sure your home and the honey-do list and all of those little itty-bitty things around the house that you've been meaning to do since you moved in get taken care of. That is everything from some curb appeal and some mulch to maybe recocking some bathrooms or showers, all of those types of things. But get that stuff out of the way so when buyers come in, you're not working on those things right before they show up for those showings. So that's the first thing. Make sure your home is just ready to be seen. The second thing is staging, right? So when you think of staging, you think of, just people bringing furniture in your home and couches and tables and all of that. You can absolutely do that, but honestly, there aren't a lot of studies out there that show that helps sell your home. I'm more so talking about making sure your home is in a condition and position that it's going to show well. So outside of the furniture are things, tidy. Is that blanket you snuggle up with on the couch, at night to watch Netflix, is that put away and folded? Is your toothbrush put away? Is your toilet seat down? Is the trash out? Have you picked up after kids and pets? So make sure the home is just simply, presentable for the people to come through. That includes lights. Make sure lights are on, open shades and drapes. The brighter your home, the more inviting it feels, the larger it feels. And so again, you're just, doing your own pseudo staging before showing. So make sure you're ready for that. And finally, have a plan for pets and kids. I talk about this extensively when I'm meeting with people looking to sell their home who have dogs and cats and children. Children's a little easier. Hopefully they've got some sort of, daily child care if that's needed. But not a lot of people have, pet care for their dogs and cats throughout the day. So it's absolutely something you want to think of. And believe it or not, I've had tons of experience with this, with just neighbors popping by, grabbing a dog, letting them come over to their house. So, don't be afraid to ask your neighbors. Maybe they, like your dog more than you think they do, and they'd be willing to come grab your dog in the middle of the day for showings. But of course, there's doggy daycares out there, and you can always kennel your dog up if your dog handles that scenario okay. Same thing with cats. So make sure you've got a plan for what to do with pets and kids during showings. So there's 3 things to help you absolutely get your house ready for showings and help you sell your home to that right buyer. If you have any other questions or want to dig more into this, reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you about that. But until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.